Hello friends, welcome to the 8th video of Mentor-Mentee Internship Program. This program is initiated by the team Write a Prize. Myself Priya Singh, the mentee for this program, and the mentor Varshika Chaudhary is guiding me for the technology Python. So, this is the 8th lecture of the Python technology. In this lecture, we will study about the operators. So, what the operators are? Operators are the constructs which can manipulate the value of operands. So, let us understand this by an example. Let the two operands be A and B. A have value 10 and B have value 20. Let the another variable C having value 5. Okay, so for C is equals to A plus B, we have A is equals to 10, B is equals to 10, 20 and C is equals to 30 then. Now if C was 5 and for C is equals to A plus B, now C is updated or manipulated with the value 30. So this is what the work of plus operator has done. Okay. These operators are classified into various types like arithmetic operators, comparison operators, assignment operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, membership operators, and identity operators. We will study about these all operators one by one. In this lecture, we will see about the first three operators, that are arithmetic, comparison, and assignment. Okay. But firstly, note that in further examples, wherever we will use the example of A and B, let there AB is equals to 10 and BB is equals to 20. Okay, if not specified. So we will study about these operators one by one. Firstly, we will study about the Python arithmetic operators. So, there are 7 arithmetic operators, that are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponent, and floor division. So, what does the addition perform? It adds values on either side of the operators. That is, here the two operands A and B are used. Okay, and plus is the operator. So what does it do? It just adds the two operands. Here A is 10, B is 20 and the value we get is 30. Then subtraction. Subtraction right hand operator from left hand operand means it subtracts the right hand operand from left hand, that is 10 minus 20 is equals to minus 10. Then comes the multiplication operator. It multiplies values on either side of the operator, that is 10 into 20, 200. These all addition, subtraction, multiplication, division performs the basic operation as in mathematics. This division operator divides left hand operand by right hand operand, that is 20 by 10 is equals to 2. In modulus operator, we get the remainder, that is, it divides left hand operand by right hand operand and returns remainder, that is 20 by 10. There is no remainder left, so the value we get is 0. The exponent performs exponential calculation of operators, that is A to the exponent B, we get 10, that is 10 to the power 20. Okay. Then comes the floor division. This is something new. The division of operands where the result is a quotient, the digits after the decimal point are removed. But if one of the operand is negative, the result is floor, that is rounded away from 0, means near to the infinity. We will see it by an example. Here we have the floor division of 9 by 2. So we get 4. Why? 9 divided by 2 is 4, and whatever the digits, that is 0.5 which comes after 4 is removed. As we have seen here, the digits after the decimal point are removed. But if one of the operands is negative, as here minus 11 divided by 3, we get minus 4 point something. If it is like that, then the result is lower, that is rounded away from 0. Means if we get here minus 3 point something, then it is rounded away from 0. So here we have written integer value, that is minus 4. Now comes the Python comparison operators. There are basically 7 Python comparison operators. We will see it one by one. First of all comes the equal operator. If the values of the two operands are equal, then the condition becomes true. That is, if 10 equals to 20, then it is true. But here 10 is not equals to 20, then the value will return false. As here A is assigned with 10 and B is assigned with 20. Now, this is a not equal operator. That is, if values of two operands are not equal, then condition becomes true. As we know, 10 is not equals to 20. Therefore, this will return a true value. Now, this is a similar to not equal to operator. Means if values of two operands are not equal, then the condition becomes true. As we can see here, A is smaller than greater than B is true. Yes, because A is not equal to B. It can either be small or greater since A is 10 and B is 20. So this statement is also true. Now comes the greater than operator. If the value of the left operand is greater than the value of the right operand, then condition becomes true. So since 10 is not equals to 20, so this is not true. But here 10 is smaller than 20, so it is true because this is a smaller than operator. Okay, less than operator. If the value of the left operand is less than the value of right operand, then condition becomes true. Now comes the greater than equal to operator. Similar to the greater than operator, but only the difference is here it also compares the equal to, means it is a combination of greater than and equal to operator. So if the value of left operand is greater than or equal to the value of the right operand, then condition becomes true. But here 10 is neither greater than nor equal to B, means 20, so it is not true. But for less than or equal to operator, it is true since 10 is smaller than, so what, it is not equal to 20, but it is smaller than 20, so it will return a true statement. Now we will see about Python assignment operators. So here are the 7 Python assignment operators. We will see it about one by one. Firstly, this equal operator. It assigns value from right side operands to left side operand, means here we have 10, here we have 20, so it will add up and it will assign to the left side operand to C, that is in C we will get the value 30. This is add AND operator. It adds right operand to the left operand and assigns the result to the left operand, means for this value C plus equal to A is equivalent to C is equals to C plus A. That is, initially we were having C as 30 and A as 10. So now we have 40 in C. Now here we have subtract AND operator. It subtracts right operand from the left operand and assigns the result to the left operand. Means C minus is equals to A is equivalent to C is equals to C minus A. Means 30 minus 10 is equals to 20. Now multiply AND operator. It multiplies right operand with the left operand and assigns the result to the left operand. That is, C multiplication is equals to A is equivalent to C is equals to C into A. So now divide AND operator. It divides left operand with the right operand and assigns the result to the left operand. It is similar to what we have studied before, that C divide AND A is equivalent to C is equals to C divide AC divide is equals to A is equivalent to C is equals to C divide A. Now modulus AND operator. It takes modulus using two operands and assigns the result to the left operand. Like C modulus AND A is equivalent to C is equals to C modulus A. Similarly, in the same way, we can see how exponent AND works. Performs exponential calculation on operators and assigns value to the left operand. Like C exponent AND A is equal to C is equals to C exponent AND. Thanks for watching the video. Please watch our video lecture 9 to cover the further topics.